Google is creating different frameworks and launching a few programming languages. If you know, that was one of the programming language launched by Google, which was object-oriented and a web-based programming language. That programming language didn't gain a huge response from developers. Many programmers prefer C++ and JavaScript over Dart due to their strong background. One programming language, named Go, gained a quite impressive among developers. The Golang was statically typed and expressed. It was general-purpose programming language, which was similar to C programming language. Now Google is also set to launch a new programming language called Carbon Programming Language. Recently, CPP North Event 2022 was held, and basically it is an event where many developers come together to discuss further developments of C++. So in this event, a Googler introduced developer to a new programming language called Carbon. The Carbon programming language was announced as an experimental language that could be a successor to the C++ programming language. Googler, who is also the technical lead for Google programming language, was also told that they would be starting this experimental work with the C++ community.